our Star Alliance would like to welcome you to local time here in Koshar is 2:35 in the afternoon. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has made a safe and complete stop at the gate area and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before you leave us, please check around your immediate seating area, the seat pockets in front of you, and the overhead compartments for all of your personal belongings you brought on board. And do take care when opening the overhead compartments as the contents may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of United and our Star Alliance members, but most especially your entire flight crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us this afternoon. It certainly has been our pleasure having you on board with us. Should you have future travel plans, we hope to see you again on one of our flights. Once again, thank you and have a pleasant afternoon here in Koshar, your island of your next destination.
surprised by a crew member. Slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation devices. You'll also find rafts in marked compartments. Some aircraft include an additional raft. If you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will illuminate and guide you to the exits. Each of the 8 exits is marked with an overhead sign. Please look around now and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You'll find a life vest under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear it open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft.